Welcome to Mitra classes. In this video, we are going to solve some selected problems from chapter complex number exercise 1.1 of standard 11.
A plus IB equal to 3 minus 2y. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? And we have to find out. Now, earlier we have learned the imaginary number. Now, complex number z equal to a plus bi and I equal to imaginary and a comma b belongs to real number. Next we are talking conjugate complex number, that is z bar. This is the symbol of the conjugate complex number a minus bi, that is opposite of imaginary part. Now you see here, this is the denominator which is having the complex number. Anytime we are getting the denominator complex number, we have to multiply the denominator by conjugate complex number to convert the denominator into real part. That is, we know z into z bar equal to mod z square mod. But what? Let z equal to a plus bi, z bar equal to a plus bi, so z into z bar equal to 1 minus bi, a minus bi, a plus bi, and that a square, bi का whole square, a square, I square equal to minus 1, minus plus b square. Hence, z into z bar equal to z square. So that is the reason 1 minus IB multiplied by A plus IB into A minus IB equal to 3 minus 2i. What we have done, this is the denominator which is a complex number. This complex number, conjugate complex number multiplied by both sides, we are getting like this. And finally, a minus ib, and like earlier we have made the formula a square plus b square equal to 3 minus 2i. Now a by a square plus b square equal to 3 and minus b by a square plus b square equal to minus 2. Hence, we can write here a by a square plus b square divided by b by root over a square plus b square equal to 3 by 2 cancel. So a equal to 3b by 2. a equal to 3b by 2. Take any of the equation a by a square plus b square equal to 3. Put the value a, that is 3b by 2, 3b by 2 whole square plus b square equal to 3. Now you see here 3b by 2. In short, we are writing 4, 9b square, 4b square, that is 13b square, 13b square by 4, and this value equal to 3. Now 3b by 2 into 4 by 13b square equal to 3. Cancel, cancel. Now you see a 3, अच्छा ठीक है, okay. 13b equal to, now you see here, so b equal to 2 by 13. Now for a, we know a equal to 3 by 2 equal to 3 into 2 by 13 by 2. So 3 into 2 by 13 into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, then answer equal to 3 by 13. Hence a equal to 3 by 13. Hence a equal to 3 by 13 and b equal to 2 by 13. Problem number 4 and 8. We have given z equal to 2 plus minus root 3, 4 plus minus root 3. Find this value express z equal to a plus bi, a equal to what and b equal to what. Now here, like earlier, 2 plus, in short we can write root 3i, 4 plus root 3i. Now you see here, this is like earlier rationalizing, matlab we have to convert to real part. So 2 plus 3i, 4 minus root 3i divided by 4 plus root 3i. अरे डैमेज किया नहीं, यहाँ आ रहा है ना, तो बोला नहीं क्या? कि पहले से करेंगे ना इधर से करेंगे,
वैसे भी चलेगा क्योंकि इतना
now here you can write 4 minus root 3i, 2 into 4 minus root 3i, root 3i, 4 minus root 3i divided by a light shortcut plus 3 square. So you can write here 8, 2 root 3i plus 4 root 3 I minus root 3 I square equal to 3 I square divided by 16 plus 9. So you can write here 8. This value is 2 root 3 I, and this value is minus 1 plus 1, 3 by 25 equal to 11 by 25 plus 2 root 3 by 25 into I. Therefore, A equal to, now Z equal to, you have got equal to 11 by 25 plus 2 root 3 by 25 I. Compare with A plus BI. Therefore, A equal to 11 by 2I, B equal to 2 root 3 by 25. This is my answer. Earlier we have done little bit mistake, and that is 3a square, but actually it is supposed to be root 3a square. So 3a square होगा तो 9 and 16 25. Instead of this 16 plus 3 equal to 19. So 11 by 19 2 root 3 by 19. So finally we are getting 11 by 19. B equal to root 3 by 19 is the answer. Given problem to be simplified. So how do it will be simplified? Let Z equal to 3 plus 2 into I into I. Then you write here I to the power 4 I square minus I to the power 4 into I to the power 3. Everywhere it is a factor of 4 बनाया. Next you see here I to the power 4 into 2 into I to the power 3. As a result, what we are getting 2I minus 1. Next we are getting 1 I square. I square equal to minus 1 already we have explained, and I4 also 1. I cube equal to I minus I. Then you write 1 plus I4 into 2 मतलब 1 I cube, and I cube also minus I. Hence we are writing 3 minus 2I, then minus 1 plus I, and 1 minus I. If I do one thing, take the common minus, that is 3 minus 2I minus common लिया 1 minus I and 1 minus I. Hence we can write 3 minus 2I equal to 1 minus I the whole square, 1 minus I the whole square, minus 3 minus 2I 2AB plus B square. Hence we are getting minus 3 minus 2I 1 minus 2I minus 1. So 1 cancel. We are getting 3 minus 2I minus 2I minus a plus, and we can write finally 3I or 2I square we can write minus minus plus 2 3 minus 2i into I, so equal to 3i minus 2i square मतलब 2 multiplied by 2 4 plus 6i, j equal to, this is my answer. This problem how is to be done? 592, 90, 88 etc. ऊपर में lowest power 584. Similarly here is also lowest power. Do one thing. Take common 584 and power common power. So this is to be subtracted. I to the power 8. Next, I to the power 6. Next, I to the power 4. Next, I to the power 2. Here also, I to the power 574. Hence, we are getting here 8. Next you write I to the power 6, I to the power 78 and also 4 and I to the power 2. Here numerator and denominator से डायरेक्ट कैंसिल भी हो सकता है. Suppose it is not a same, then we will put the value individual. Well, what? I square equal to minus 1, I4 equal to 1 and so on. But in this problem, numerator and denominator are same, hence it is like that way. And finally, I to the power 584 minus 574. Well, how this formula is? We know I to the power 5 by I equal to a to the power 5 minus 2 equal to a to the power 3. The power में division में subtract होता है. Suppose a to the power 5 into a square, a5 plus 2 and a to the power 7. Next you see here I to the power 10, factor of 4 into 2 equal to I4 का whole square into I square 1 into I square equal to minus 1 is the answer. Hence given it, therefore answer equal to minus 1. 1 I to the power 13 plus I to the power 18 plus I to the power 22 to the power 22 and simplify and check whether it is a real number or imaginary number. Check the real number or not. ठीक है, let j equal to 1 I 4 into 3 2 I 4 into 4 2 plus I 4 into 5 in plus 2. So here we are getting 1 I to the power 4 whole to the power 3 into I square I4 whole to the power 4 into I square I whole to the power 4 into 5 into I square. So here you are getting 1 plus I square 1. This value is 1 1 1. So I square and I square. We are getting 3 I square and 1 plus 3 I square equal to minus 1. Already I square equal to minus 1 here derived earlier. That 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. That this is a real number as no I part is exist. I part exists. Therefore, z equal to minus 2 is the answer. Now x plus iy whole cube equal to y plus vi, and we have to prove from here this value. So whatever the given, we are operating from there, and we can also do from here to here. Then we have to see simplicity. Simplicity, if I go from given value, then we can show that then problem here will be easy. Now you write here a cube plus 3a square into b plus b3a b square plus b cube equal to y plus vi. Now x cube plus 3s square y into I plus here it will be minus 3x y square plus I cube minus 1 I y cube into I y plus vi. Now x cube real part one group and imaginary part 3s square y minus y cube I is another equal to y plus vi. Comparing the identity, that means x cube minus 3xy square equal to y and 3s square y minus y cube equal to v. X common law, s square minus 3y square equal to y, s square minus 3y square equal to y by x. Here y common law, 3s square minus y square equal to v, 3s square minus y square equal to v by y. Now show that left hand side I am taking y by x v by y equal to s square minus 3y square plus 3s square minus y square equal to 4s square minus 4y square equal to 4s square minus y square. Hence y by x plus v by y equal to 4s square minus y square is the answer. X plus 1 plus 3i plus y 2 minus I minus 5 plus I cube equal to 0. X plus y equal to what? Now x 3xi 2y y into I minus 5 I cube equal to minus I, in the manner I cube equal to minus I. Now x all real part one group x plus 2y minus 5 and in all imaginary part that is 3x minus y minus 1 into I equal to 0, and 0 against we can write 0 plus 0i. That means x plus 2y minus 5 real part and imaginary part imaginary part. And here also 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now, we have to solve x and y from these two equations so that individual x and y what we can determine. So now you do one thing. Equation number 1, this is equation number 2, 1 multiplied by 3 as we have done in standard class 10. So 3x plus 6y minus 15 equal to 0, and from 2 and we have got 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. So let us subtract. This is 7y minus 14 equal to 0, and we can say 14 by 7 equal to 2. Put in this value any of the equation either 1 and 2. I am putting the value y value in equation 1. In 1, x plus 2 into 2 minus 5 equal to 0. X plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0, the x equal to 1. Now you see here, we require the value x plus y, where x equal to 1 and y equal to 2, the answer is a 3. Hence, x plus y equal to 3.